Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to do an unboxing of sorts. I got my March Crafty Crew Kit from Crafty Stamp Co. and I started to open it. You'll see I cut it, but then I thought, oh no, I want to unbox it with my friends. So I really haven't seen what's in here. Now, I do know what's in here because as a design team member, we get kind of a prototype or a preview at the goodies that will be coming in here, but I haven't seen the actual products and had my hands on the actual products until today. So let me go through this with you. Now, I did want to point out, I think this is adorable. You put this little sticker like most companies do when they're packaging, but this is personalized. So this one says, thank you for joining the crew event. Isn't that awesome? So, okay, let's open this up because I'm dying to see and get my hands on what's in this package. Oh my goodness. When I got the email that my package had been delivered, but I didn't see it anywhere, I told my husband, did you check the mail? Was there packages outside? And he's like, oh yeah, there's something. I put it on the counter. He forgets to tell me these things. So it comes in this neat zipper mesh pouch, which I love because then I can put all my goodies back in there. And I'll probably label this because you could probably add a label to this tag here. That way I'll know it's the March kit. But this is a nice little bag. I like it. Let's see, how big is it? It's about 7 inches tall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to count squares. 7 by 9. About 7 by 9. So that's a good size little pouch. And then let's see. So we get these crafty dots, really pretty colors. Let me take them out so we can see them instead of through the cellophane, but kind of on its own. Let me grab some white cardstock. Look how pretty these colors are. Oh my goodness. And they're kind of like a glittery enamel dot. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Kind of glittery. I like that. So these are called crafty dots. And these were the extra item. So in the Crafty Crew Kits, how Crafty Stamp Co. does this is they have a pre-order window. So the window to pre-order this kit is from January 15th through February 15th. And if you place your order between that time, you will get one. And those are the only people that will get this kit. So once February 15th hits and the order period or the pre-order period is done, there will be no other orders taken. There will not be any extra kits ordered. So if you want to get your hands on this, and this is the March kit, I'll put the link in the description box and go place your order because I'm going to tell you, these stamp sets, oh my goodness. Let me take them out here. Let me move these goodies out of the way for the time being and take this out so you can see what these stamp sets look like. So this one is what was the name of it? Crafty Friends stamp set. And look how cute. This little girl has her little crafting apron on. So does our little friend here, his little guy here. And then there's some smaller images. So there's a little hole punch, a glue gun. Here's another paper punch, some scissors, a stapler, a paintbrush, and the sentiment that says it's crafty time. I love this to make cards or projects for your crafty friends. And we all have crafty friends. So that is adorable. All right. Let's take a look at the next stamp set. And this one is called a Crafty Mice stamp set. And you might have seen on my channel, I did a project with these. Like I said, we get kind of a prototype of these. So look how cute. Little mouse with his little bucket full of coloring medium, some pencils, markers, a paintbrush. And then this little guy sitting on a cricket. That is so cute. And this guy with some scissors behind him. And then I really like that it has this stamp that says handmade with love by, and then it has a space where you could put in your name and then just for you. So I like that to add to the back. And then it has little scissors and a little glue gun. And let's see, our other sentiments are crafting is my love language. And it really is for me. Talk crafty to me. That's cute. And you inspire me. Such cute images. I mean, they knock it out of the park with their images. And then you also get a stencil. So did I mention the kits come with 2 stamp sets, a stencil, a 6x6 paper pad, and then an extra, which this month was those crafty dots. So this is the bubble wheel stencil. Let's take a look. Let's see, let me pull up a different color cardstock, see if you can see it better. There you go, look at that. So it's this nice circle of dots, different sizes. So I like that, that's kind of cute. This would be cute to like just do, not necessarily stencil over your whole panel, but like partial stencil and then have your focal point in the middle. Or even stencil half of it this way, or use some of your maybe glitter paste or mousse that you have. Really neat stencil. I love stencils. I need to use them more, to be quite honest. Then we have this beautiful pattern paper, and it comes in this sleeve. Guys, I love this sleeve because it fits in here perfectly. The full paper pad fits in there without having to really struggle. I have some other plastic sleeves that I store my papers in, but those are a real tight squeeze. I like that this fits perfectly for this. It gives you enough space to reach in and grab your paper out. But let's take a look at this. This is, what is the name of this paper pad? Crafty Time. And let's take this sticker off. See, I haven't seen all of this stuff yet. Up close and personal. So you get 4 of each of 12 designs, and they're 6x6 and double-sided. So this one says crafts all over it with some scissors and some hearts. Really cute. This one, let me try and lower here a little bit, has like a bubble look on it on pink background. And then here we have glue guns and more hearts. So cute. Faux pink glitter. This one has a bunch of sentiments. It's repeated. It says, people who love to craft are always the best people. Isn't that neat? Some little scissors. You could actually just like maybe cut a strip of this and put that strip as across your card, and that would be your sentiment. So pretty. Now we have this mint kind of color with a geometric design on it. And then this one, oh, how pretty. Guys, I have to just stop and look at these and pause and look, because I haven't seen, like I said, like in my hands. I saw the images of what the papers were going to be, but oh my goodness. Has a little paper punch, some paint brushes, some washi tape, little clips. So cute. And then this is more of a solid, kind of like a taupey color. And then here's another one that you could use your circle die and cut these out to use as sentiments. This says Live, Love, Craft. Really pretty. And then this sheet with a bunch of buttons all over it. And then this is a solid, like a yellow. Nice, pretty yellow. Oh, and this one has a bunch of Cricut machines in yellow and green. Look at that. That's so cute. And then we repeat. We're back to our original page. So cute. So here's all the goodies we get in the March Crafty Crew Kit. Our crafty dots, 2 4x6 stamp sets, a 6x6 stencil, some 6x6 pattern paper, and we also get that plastic sleeve that the pattern paper comes in, as well as this nice zipper mesh pouch. Now you also get, and I forget to mention this, some SVG files so that you can cut out your images. Now I haven't tried that yet, but I will give it a try and let you know how that goes for me, because sometimes I struggle with cutting out SVG files. But I think it's a great idea. That way you're not really paying for a die, but if you have your electronic cutting machines, the SVG files will work perfectly with these stamps. All right, friends, don't forget, I have the link so you can pre-order your March 2025 Crafty Crew Kit. And make sure to order by February 15th. That is the absolute cutoff date. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.